So regarding the Yanny and the Laural dilemma, debate, whatever you call it, meme, you're actually both right. If you hear Yanny or Laural, there ain't no right or wrong. The reason for that is because it's actually a pitch question. Now, if you listen to the original,
Laural.
I personally hear Yanny. I don't know about you, but that's fine. The reason for that is that if we turn up the pitch just a little, we're gonna hear
Laural.
Laural, and if I turn it all the way down,
Yanny.
you're gonna hear a really dark Yanny. Now, the reason for that is if you're like older, let's say older than 30, you're more likely to hear Laural because your ears don't catch up on the higher frequencies as much as younger people. I should add that it also depends on the device you're listening on and the volume.